So this question my daughter wanted me to ask, if you could kindly please answer this. She read in economics book that a statistic counting shows that about year 3000,
about
3000 year, there will be so many people and buildings that they will weigh all together much more than its weight of Earth. What will happen then, and what do you think about this prediction?
I'm not worried about what will happen then. I'm worried about what will happen between now and then. It may completely change the predictions altogether. Anything can happen whereby the problem would be the thin population of humans on Earth rather than the Earth being overpopulated by them. Right? These figures, facts and figures are published only with the hope that nothing will change between now and that time, and things will continue to progress exactly as they are progressing nowadays. This is what never happens. Moreover, tell your daughter not to be worried, because I'm sure she is not going to live up to that time. Right?